So, tell me why you deleted your channel.
I didn't. It's
You
still on
didn't
there.
delete it.
All my videos are private.
Yeah, tell it to everyone. Tell it.
I'll upload a video in July 6th.
Are you come with us July 4th? Where we at? What are we doing?
I don't know.
Juan's not gonna be here 4th of July because he's a butt.
Juan's exposed.
Look at this. We're at the fire. Look, Juan's. Look, we got some grenades. I don't use grenades, bro. We're at the Russell's fireworks. Look at these fireworks. Look at this. Awesome. Hey, Ponsos. Bro, stop. You, Ponsos. Are you going to the fireworks show tonight? Can you go with us? No.
Give me that
Melody, yay! What are you gonna buy? I'm gonna buy something with my money. I got money.
What are you gonna buy?
I don't know. Whatever's good. There's one for like $12 for 300 shots. You wanna go see it fast?
Really get that?
I don't know. You wanna go see it fast? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Bonzo, let's go. We're fast. Let's go. Eric, you wanna come too? You wanna come? Look at this 300 one I was talking about.
I need to buy some.
Buy something. Oh, you want to look for the? I'll show you one. Come on. The sponsor's coming. Sponsor, you coming? How much? What? 70 for what?
72.
Like 50 bucks.
55, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh. One.
72.
One. That's how much balls it shoots. In one time. This is what Juan wants. It's over here, Juan. But I mostly go for the expensive one.
You have five? High five.
Valerie. No. Look over here, bro. Fonson, look, it's over here. Okay, guys, where's it? Oh my god.
You can't see it.
Oh. Where the fuck is it at? Where's it at? Where was it? It's over here somewhere. Oh, they don't have it no more. Let's fly. Look, these are $2 and less. Oh, hey, Juan, if you want some of these over there, Juan, there's some over there for $2. Good ones though, like.
No, la cámara que como hace.
Time to react. You have time to react.
High five!
They are gonna go to the
Valerie.
You love me.
Five. Eric, what do you like about this fireworks? Are you excited?
Nope.
Why not?
Because it's boring.
Your face is boring. By just looking at the views are tired of looking at you. Look at this. Look at this. Juan, wait, Mom, Juan, there's some over here. Some good ones. Mom, where are you going? Well, come over here. Juan wants to buy something that's good. Huh?
On there.
Where y'all went?
I don't know. We're just going. Juan over here. Oh my gosh, so light over here. Makes you like this. See, look.
Wait, what are those?
I don't know.
You just light them up and they explode?
Yeah, all of them at the same time, basically. For $1, you can buy like 4, I guess. What about those? Like, see, $1 makes you look. You can buy like
They're 100?
I guess 100 in each. I guess. See,
Wait, look.
they're $1.
Four. I can get ones like
$2 right there. You can buy like 3 of those, 5 of those, and then 5 of these. I guess. I don't know. Whatever you want.
2.
Mhm.
2 right here. 2.
You just gonna buy 2?
2. That's $4 right here.
$4.
Oh yeah, guys.
This is $4. That's $8.
$8. I'll say get 2 more of these then. 2 more of these. 8. 10 right here, bro. Yeah, I'll keep them right here, bro. Come on. Okay, guys, my cousin's so difficult, and there's some over here like good ones. Like,
Where?
how much do you have? $8. For this is
Eight
for
right
8.
here.
How much do you have left? 12, right?
There's 5. 12.
$12 left. Ooh, you can get this for $12 right here, bro. It's 300 shots. Take them. You want them? So free, bro.
12 right here.
Okay, come on.
12. Like,
Yeah, that's good. Come on, let's go find my daddy. Hold on, let me find my dad. Oh, there's some Roman candles there for like cheap Roman candles. Oh, they're here. Come on. Excuse us. Mom, one got those. $8 for this.
Hey, where'd you get those?
Over there, you want me to show you?
I'm not going to be here for 4.
Theo, you want me to show you?
Show how much are those?
$2.
You want some of those?
These are $1.
All of these are $1 and I got
Come on, you want me to show you? Can I show this? Come on, let's go, guys.
We want these.
That one in the M80s are $1.
You want these or you want the other ones?
I don't want the black type that goes down.
You know what you're gonna get?
Huh?
You know what you're gonna get?
No, I'm helping them what they're gonna get.
What you gonna get?
I don't know. I'm looking.
You want some of these? You want some of the M80? They just pop.
The black lady.
They'll get you.
Come on. You know where they are?
There's some right here. They're right here. $1, $2. They're right here.
Hey, Theo, they're right here too. Theo, they're right here. Yeah, those are $2. Oh, bro, right here too. You can get 3.
No, that's it too.
Why 2? Oh,
That one was open.
what about this? This is $1. How much is this? $20 for $18, gosh.
These are the big.
What are these?
How much money do you have left?
If I had this, that would have been $8 left.
How much without this?
$12.
Dang it. Bro, you can get this 20. This big one right here for $18 right there. Look. I don't know what that means though. But look at that. Boom.
But they all like expire at the same time.
No, they don't. There's half.
Chili shells.
Who called me?
You want to pitch in some more chili shells?
Yeah, I guess.
Daddy, can I get something?
But I want something else too, man. Wait. Tío,
Ve, trae un carro.
that were all the artillery, not the artillery shells, the Roman candles.
Right there, we can get them.
Oh.
Want a case of that.
Come on, Juan. What? Come on.
Just grab a cart.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Just put it in there, bro.
And these need with 8.
What are you gonna buy? You pick.
These need with $12.
That's yours. This is his.
These need with $12 right here.
Hey, take it. Wait, Dad. How much am I pitching in for? The artillery shell. What about the?
These were $2.
Yeah,
So $12 right here.
those are $1.
It'll be $16.
Right here, these are $2 still.
Hey Luis, come and help me find some more. Okay. $12 right here. I can get 6 sticks.
Dad, Dad, what are those things called? Dad, what are those things called when you shoot it up? Wait, man.
Wait, what?
Roman candle. How much do they cost? This is the one you shoot up. If you do enjoy this video, if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And I also bought a GoPro. I'll make a tutorial about that. How do you make it? And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Right here, boom.
How much
Bye.
they cost?